Hey there, it's Joyce M. Washington CPA here, and in today's Money Minute, I am going to give you a quick overview of Xero Accounting. Okay, so in the last Money Minute, I mentioned a few of my favorite accounting software solutions. I mentioned Xero Accounting, FreshBooks, and Wave Accounting, and I told you why I like them so much. So I thought it would be a little bit of fun if we could dig into each one of them individually, and I could give you a backstage pass to what I see so that you could see for yourself why I like them so much. So here we go with the first one. This one is Xero Accounting. So, and as a reminder, this is what I recommend for my fellow accountants and CPAs and bookkeepers, as well as power users that need a little bit more robust features, and they still want to do it themselves. So, first off, go to Xero.com. That's Xero.com, and you can sign up yourself, or you can go through an accountant and sign up, and then you just want to log in. So once you get to the login screen, I have it so that my passwords and stuff pop in. So once you log in, let's give it another second or so. There we go. Your screen is going to look a little bit different than mine because I'm an accountant service provider, so the top of mine is green, but yours would be blue. So that's one difference that you would have, but we're just going to go into the demo company right quick, and as you can see, this is the dashboard of what it would look like. And first off, like I said, it's pretty, like FreshBooks, it can be a little bit deceptive as far as how this dashboard looks and what you have available, because it doesn't look like it's all that difficult. But underneath of that, there's a lot going on. Like on this dashboard, here you have your bank accounts, you have your accounts that you're watching, the money you have coming in, the money you have going out, and expense claims. And that would be like if you allow yourself or your employees to be reimbursed for expenses. So for a lot of small business owners, you're not going to use the expense claim, but at the same time, there's still a lot of information here on the dashboard. You know what's going on with overdue income, overdue expenses, etc. So the one thing that I had mentioned before was that, especially for accountants, that there's an area where you can generate reports, and it's a lot easier to do than in other software packages that I have seen anyway. And that's one of the reasons why I in particularly like it. And again, like I said, your header is going to be blue. So as you can see, this header is blue instead of green. Mine is typically green. So let's dig into what an income statement might look like for your company. Very quick, very simplistic to generate and save. And you can click on anything that's blue, you can click on it and it takes you right to where you need to go. You can export in as Excel, PDF, or straight to Google Docs, which I really dig. Because then it makes it very easy for you to share documents with your clients securely. that you can just have a shared folder and just drop it into the Google Docs folder, and they would have access to it. And what was the other thing that I wanted to tell you about? There are two features that I noticed that is available here that I haven't seen available in other software packages. That you can do an actual versus budget, and it does the calculations for you. You can also, which I really like, that that there's a budget function in here at all. So you can do a Bud v Act or a budget versus actual income statement. The other thing that I do like too is that you can include footnotes. So say I wanted to include a footnote here, add a footnote, and then maybe this budget moved to the fourth quarter. So once you save it, it would now be on your financials. So that's a good way to annotate and footnote the financials for somebody else reviewing them. So those two features I found to be very good features as far as accountants are concerned, but also if you are small business owner and you're using this yourself, then it's a way of being able to jot down notes for yourself, for your accountant, for your tax preparer, so that when they actually get the reports and they're reviewing them, they would actually see what your notes are to them. And let me publish this right quick so that you can see how quick this goes. I have a couple of things that I can do there, but once it's published, now, like I said, you can now PDF, Excel, or to Google Docs. I'm just going to pull up the PDF really quickly so that you can see that footnote that we put in there. If it actually pulls up quick. There we go. Oh, geez, I forgot I have to save it. Okay, so I'm not going to do all that. But I think I can view the report. So basically, when it's actually printed, it would show the footnote on the bottom, like it's showing here on the screen. So that's about it. I mean, those are like the main features that I like. And you can customize what's on your dashboard to an extent. You can customize what your favorite accounts are here in the settings. And that's it. I mean, I really do like Xero. It's not, aesthetically perhaps the prettiest of, the three that we're going to look at over the next couple of videos. But I think it gives you a simple snapshot, and it gives you your KPIs, your key performance indicators in one place, so that you kind of know what's going on at a glance and not have to dig too much into, trying to find anything and everything in various different places within the software package. So that's it. If you have questions about Xero, pop them in the comment section at thecommonsense.com. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, and you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel. If you happen to not be on the 2 Cents email list, then pop on over to thecommonsense.com/2 cents and get on the email list. So until next time, I'll see you later.